What's up, everybody? I have a feeling that many of you are going to be very, very happy. This article that I'm going to show you is going to save you a lot of money. Well, certain people it's going to save money. We'll talk about that here in a bit. If you like power tools, if you like seeing reviews and cool stories pop up in the news that you might not know about, get subscribed, hit that bell notification. Let's get this video going. So everybody knows prices are up. Gas is up. Milk is up. 2x4s cost me $8,000 for a 2x4 at the Home Depot. It's crazy. But here's the thing. Every once in a while, you see a glimmer of hope that things might go down. But this is going to affect some of you. Not all of you, some of you. Well, I might be wrong. Let me take that back. I'll tell you what I'm thinking here towards the end of this video. But let me show you what's going on. If you live in Florida, which many of these beautiful subscribers on this channel are, they are from Florida. Florida just signed in a tax amendment, basically. Florida grants sales tax exemptions for diapers, gas, school supplies, and look at this, tools. Now the tools is huge. There's 3 things in this video that are really going to help out a lot of people. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, right? I just want to affect the ones that affect our channel, the TRZ channel, the Tool Review Zone channel, right? So first off, if you live in Florida or a lot of these other states, disaster preparedness supplies always go down, for hurricanes during the certain months, right? There's like a tax holiday. They're bringing this tax holiday to many other things. So it's a state's annual 2-week disaster preparedness. Great, you pay less for things. But check this out here. So obviously flashlights, $40 or less, package of batteries. If you buy them $50 or less, you don't pay sales tax. But this extends to other things, and here are the dates. So I'm not going to read them all. I'm just going to start from the top, and I'll show you because this might affect you, right? Children's books right here, disaster preparedness. This is one that you always have right here from May 28th to June 10th. You scroll down here, Freedom Week sales tax, bicycles, outdoor grills. If you're looking for grills, you're going to get the 6%. It's gone during this time period. Diapers, which is great. Young children's clothing, all that good stuff. This is going to be your date here. Impact resistant windows. So if you're a contractor or somebody that is redoing your house, windows, doors, garage doors from July 1st, 2022 to June 30th. So it's going to be coming up here pretty soon. For 2 years, this item will be exempt from sales tax. For 2 years, this is going to happen. Energy Star appliances. We already know at the Home Depot and Lowe's. We talked about this in the other day's video, which I'll post at the end of this video. They have Black Friday or 4th of July sales when it comes to your Energy Star appliances or any appliances, right? So following the Energy Star label, items are exempt from sales tax between July 1st and June 30th. These are dryers, stoves, or anything that's energy efficient. Back to school here, you don't care. Let's get to the bread and butter for this channel because that's what we do here. Skilled worker tools sales tax holiday. This is from September. It's not very long. It's going to be September 3rd through September 9th, 2022. This is the first time a tax holiday applies to the purchase of a variety of tools and supplies, including, right, but not limited to, toolboxes worth $75 or less, which that's not great. Work boots selling for $175 or less, or this is where I get excited when I see this. Power tools selling for $300 or less per item. That is huge because a lot of the power tools that you buy, I'm talking good stuff. I'm not talking like cheap stuff. I'm talking good stuff. The Milwaukee IAs, right? Or the DeWalt's, right? Or your top brands. Power tools selling for $300 or less per item. You're going to get 6% off. That's like a deal every day that you buy. Now, this is what let me go through a couple more of these and I'll show you. So gas tax suspension from October 1st to October 31st. You're going to get that. The 6% is gone. Grand Prix tickets, I'm never going to go to that. And that's, I think, about it. Okay, so let's talk about this tool thing here. What's cool about this is that if you buy this $300 or less, you're going to get no sales tax on that, right? Which I believe is 6% in Florida. Not only that, I am curious if this will work, and I'm not sure. This could be the ultimate hack. Usually on the Home Depot website or wherever you shop, you can change your zip code, right? So I live in Ohio, the opposite of the sunshine state. I never see the sun. I am very white, weak, and feeble, right? I never get my vitamin D. But here's the thing. If I change the zip code from my store to a store in Orlando, I am curious to see if I will be able to buy that tool without any sales tax. That will be very interesting. Unfortunately, we will not be able to find that out unless I'm able to talk to somebody, which I'm going to try to do, or September 3rd to September 9th of this year. But that is huge. That is huge. So very excited about that. I think that's a really good thing. You're getting tax breaks on a lot of different things. You just got to look for the dates. I'll leave this in the description below for you to read this article. We're going to be back with DeWalt tool reviews, hands-on, tomorrow. And then the next day, we got some rigid tools. So you subscribe, hit the bell notification, check this video out right here. It's real nice, like. And we'll be back with more videos soon.